We're now going to talk about what you need to do to prepare for a deposition. The simple answer is relax. You know all the answers. I say that because every single question asked of you during a deposition in a workers' compensation case, you have the answer to. The answer is either in your knowledge bank or simply you don't know, and it is quite all right to say that you do not know. Now, don't abuse this privilege. For example, if they ask you what your name is, don't say you don't know. Tell them your name and relax. The second thing during a deposition is that this is discovery by the opposing attorney. This means that they get to ask you questions that both relate and have no relation whatsoever to your case. Do not get angry if they ask you questions about your life. Just simply answer them. Your attorney will be sitting next to you and will object if anything is out of line. The third thing in a deposition is do not provide them, and by them I mean the opposing counsel, with information about your case on a question that is not asked. Let me be clear about this. Your deposition is not a chance for you to tell your story. It is merely the opportunity for you to answer questions from opposing counsel. As I tell all of my clients before a deposition, you cannot win your case during the deposition. Let me repeat that. You cannot win your case during the deposition. However, you can lose your case during your deposition by giving out too much information or answering questions that were never asked. If the opposing counsel asks you what part of your body you're hurt, simply tell them. Do not tell them the entire story about what happened to you. Make them ask the questions. They are professionals. They know how to do it. Let them do their job. And if they fail to ask the question, you do not have to interject and tell them what happened. Finally, during a deposition, be patient. A workers' compensation deposition typically takes between 1 and 3 hours. You have plenty of time to get up, stand up, use the bathroom, get a drink of water if you need to. Simply ask your attorney, and they will immediately ask opposing counsel to take a break, and typically it is granted. If you have any further questions about a deposition, please do not hesitate to contact the attorneys at Gerber and Holder, and we will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have.